Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 164th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brand of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week: Radio Salesian bags National Award with Industry and Social Leaders. 10 Salesian College alumni among 34 deacons ordained. Salesians lead civil society in drug abuse campaign. Salesians partner in Skill for Dignity for unemployed youth. Parish tournament draws 300 youth, 16 teams. Migrant youth mark Salesian centenary, visit Province Centre. The news in detail. India Radio Salesian bags National Award with Industry and Social Leaders. Cleric Banhulang Lingdo reports from Darjeeling.
First Community Radio of Darjeeling bagged National Award for Entertainment and Development Excellence along with industry giants. Other award categories included Environmental Management, Environmental Protection, Safety Standards, Women Empowerment, HR Excellence, CSR Excellence, Energy Conservation, Research, Music, Singing, and so on. Lucknow-based Green Maple Foundation conferred the prestigious Green Maple Foundation GMF Green Feather Awards 2023 on 1st July 2023 in Darjeeling. Other winners were NTPC, Tata, Birla, Jindal, Dalmia, CESE, DB Power, DCM Shriram, JSW, Godrej, Hindustan Petroleum, RP Sanjeev Goenka, Aditya Birla, and others. Guests of honor included Director of Himalayan Mountaineering Institute Group Captain Jai Kishan, legendary Nepali singer Miss Hira Rasaili, and Chairman of Darjeeling Municipality Shri Dipan Thakuri. One of the aims of GMF is to create awareness by organizing seminars and award ceremonies to honor outstanding contributors in the field of economy, environment, and social development. Radio Salesian, established in 2016 as first college-based community radio of North Bengal and entire Northeast India, operates out of 85-year-old Salesian College Autonomous, Sanada, Darjeeling.
Cleric Banhulang Lingdo reporting. The 5 joyful mysteries of the Rosary narrate events connected with Jesus' birth and growth. The next 5 mysteries of light show the light of God manifested through Jesus. The 5 sorrowful mysteries recount the agony and crucifixion of Jesus. The last 5 mysteries narrate the resurrection of Jesus and the glorification of his mother Mary. The 20 Stations of the Life-Size Rosary Way is an ideal project for Jubilee Year 2025. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com and WhatsApp/Telegram country code 919831020945. India 10 Salesian College alumni among 34 deacons ordained. Cleric Bernard Madi reports from Shillong.
The diaconate ordination of 34 clerics from Sacred Heart Theological College, Shillong, was held on 1st July 2023 at the Shrine of the Sacred Heart by Bishop Wilbert Marwain of Nongstoin. The deacons belonged to 8 out of 12 Salesian provinces of South Asia and also from the OCD Carmelite congregation in India. Of these deacons, 10 of them are alumni of Salesian College, Sonada. 6 belong to 2013 batch and 4 belong to 2015 batch. South Asia region has 3 theologates: Sacred Heart Theological College in Shillong in Northeast India, Krishna Jyoti College in Bangalore, and Don Bosco Theological Center, Chennai in South India.
Cleric Bernard Madi reporting. India Salesians lead civil society in drug abuse campaign. Father Joseph Charles reports from Tiruchi.
Trichy Province Department for Addiction Counseling and Treatment organized a rally in Kiranoor town, Trichy, to sensitize the public on drug-related issues. Some 600 participants, comprising school students, women self-help group members, staff and beneficiaries of Addiction Treatment Center, and officials of the town participated in the rally. The rally passed through the main streets covering the central bus stand and market area with banners and placards, besides raising slogans against drug abuse and illicit trafficking. The director of Don Bosco Jananam, Father John Dharman, introduced the UNO theme 2023, People First, Stop Stigma and Discrimination, Strengthen Prevention. The event was done in partnership with 11 organizations and civil society groups.
Father Joseph Charles reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. India Salesians partner in Skills for Dignity for Unemployed Youth. Father Amit Hess reports from Krishnanagar.
Kolkata Salesians inaugurated Skills for Dignity project for unemployed youth, sponsored by LTI Mindtree at Don Bosco Tech Krishnanagar on 16th June 2023. LTI Mindtrees Limited is an Indian multinational information technology services and consulting company based in Mumbai. It is a subsidiary of Larsen & Toubro, which employs more than 84,000 people. Present at the occasion were LTI Mindtree Corporate Social Responsibility Head Mr. Deepak Prabhumati, along with Kolkata provincial and national members of the Technical Commission and local dignitaries. The Skills for Dignity project aims to train 400 youth across 5 states in 5 centers by March 2024. This project targets youth not in education, employment, or training through skill development training programs in hospitality and furniture and finishing courses. This initiative will run across in Assam, Rangajan with 120, Mizoram Aizawl with 60, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar with 60 targets, Meghalaya Shillong with 60 targets, and the state of West Bengal Nadia with 100 targets, totaling 400.
Father Amit Hess reporting. India Parish Tournament draws 300 youth, 16 teams. Pooja Nevis reports from Mumbai.
The youth group of Salesian Parish of Mary Help of Christians, Naigaon East, hosted a riveting 5A-side football tournament in the Don Bosco Turf Grounds on 25th June 2023. 16 teams from across the neighborhood and its outskirts participated. The tournament commenced with an opening prayer and welcome address by Vice Principal Father Joachim Fernandez, who spoke on values of team building, equality, discipline, perseverance, and respect as true mark of a sports person. At the conclusion of an exciting day of matches, trophies and cash prizes were presented to the winners and runner-up teams.
Pooja Nevis reporting. Australia Migrant Youth mark Salesian Centenary. Visit Province Centre. Michael Gartland reports from Melbourne.
As part of the school holiday program led by the two diocesan priests and community leaders, a group of migrant children from Burmese background visited the Salesian Province Centre in Ascot Vale on the 26th of June 2023. After a quick lunch, Provincial Father Will Matthews, who was born and raised in Burma, gave a presentation on the life of St John Bosco and Salesian education around the world. The children visited the chapel for a sacred moment and to see a sacred relic of St John Bosco. Father Will also explained to them about the centenary celebrations of the arrival of the Salesians in Australia in 1923. He also invited them to see the relic statue of Don Bosco from Hong Kong visiting Melbourne in July and August. The youth proceeded to St Francis Church in Melbourne, the oldest Catholic church in Victoria, and the first cathedral church of the Catholic Archdiocese of Melbourne, established in 1845.
Michael Gartland reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.